How to register on Barclays app for the first time. First of all, once you have downloaded the Barclays app from the Play Store, open it and tap on register for the app to begin the setup process. Next, you will be asked to create a 5-digit passcode. Enter your chosen passcode, then re-enter it to confirm. After that, read through the terms and conditions, and if you are happy with them, tap to accept. If you haven't received an activation code, tap No, Continue Without. Now select Barclays UK current account and tap Continue to move forward. To register, you will need few things ready: your mobile number, your Barclays debit card, and your card PIN. If you have these available, tap Continue. On the next screen, tap No, then choose the Tap My Card option to use your contactless Visa card for quick registration. Hold your card against the back of your phone and move it slowly up and down. Once scanned successfully, your card details will automatically appear on the screen. Now tap Continue, enter your mobile number, tap Done, re-enter the number to confirm, and tap Done again, followed by Continue. Once your mobile number and card details are confirmed, you will be asked to enter the PIN of your Barclays debit card. After entering your PIN, tap Continue. Next, choose a meaningful word that will appear every time you log in. Then, tap Continue. Once everything is set, your registration will be complete. Now you know how to register on Barclays app for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.